Session 6 of Managerial Communication of second semester BBA of Mangalore University. In session 6, we shall study about types of communication. The management of a business organization has to carry out the activities within an organization and outside the organization. Activities within the organization include coordination among different departments, planning, strategies, scheduling production, guidance and training to the staff, disbursement of salaries, bonus, welfare scheme of the employees, and other related activities. Whereas the activities outside the organization include procurement, contacting the customers, retailers, coordinating with the government agencies, etc. Thus, on the basis of business communication, can be broadly classified into internal and external communication. Internal communication may be defined as the transmission of the information among all the members, that is, all the sections of an business enterprise. For example, the Chief Executive Officer of a company announces bonus to all the employees. He will send this information through internal communication channel. It flows vertically, that is from top to bottom or bottom to top and horizontally. External communication is the transmission of information between a business and another person or entity in the company's external environment. For example, people and entities include customers, potential customers, suppliers, investors, shareholders, and the society at large. Both internal and external communication are significant for the business growth and performance. Types of internal communication, that is within the organization, from top to bottom, that is vertically. We have upward and downward communication. Communication between employees on different hierarchical positions, orders and suggestions. Downward communication from managers or leaders to employees, orders. Upward communication from employees to managers or leaders, grievances, suggestions, or the problems. Horizontal communication between individuals on the same hierarchical positions like financial manager, marketing manager, human resource manager, production manager. So people with the same position communicate with each other. Unlike internal communication, external communication means exchange of information both within the organization itself and outside the organization. Organizations communicate with the outside world on a daily basis. Therefore, external communication departments play a very important role in every business organization. Formal external communication and informal external communication. Formal external communication is the very first step in creating appropriate image of the company. It includes anything from carefully created letters, reports, presentations or web pages. The main goal of external communication is to inform the outside world an important message about the work and quality of the organization. to have a better public relation. Informal external communication is a form of communication which organizations can't regulate directly. During everyday work activities, employees are continuously absorbing information and deepening their knowledge about the organization. Whenever employees talk about the organization to the outside world, they are a part of an informal external communication. So, in this session, we have studied about the types of communication, internal and external communication. References.